Hello, my name is Francisco Solís. I'm a taxonomist of echinoderms and I'm in charge of the national collection in the Autonomous University of Mexico. I've been working for almost 1 year now, probably, looking at the taxonomy of the echinoderms here at the Beaty Biodiversity Museum. I have examined more than 1,000 specimens. At the moment, we have 79 species of echinoderms here now in the collections. An echinoderm is a marine invertebrate. They're only marine species of echinoderms. They are in 5 groups, which are the starfish, sea cucumbers, ophiuroids or brittle stars, sea urchins, and sea lilies or crinoids. To identify the different classes of the echinoderms, the first step is to recognize the shape of the body in general. It could be a starfish shape, which automatically will take you to the starfish or the sea stars. If you have this spheric form, that will be a sea urchin, with spines. If you have a central body with 5 arms or more, that will be a brittle star. If you have the cylindrical body and it's kind of fleshy, that's a sea cucumber. If it looks like a planny and it comes only from one point with arms, then you have a crinoid. The second part will be you get closer to the animal. Let's say that you are working with a starfish. First of all, you recognize the starfish because the 5 arms or more, and then we go and we have to use a microscope to look for the shape of the pedicel area. We use the shape of them to tell us the genus and the species. It's exactly the same with sea urchins. We look into the shape of the spines. They are short, they are long, exactly, and then you go inside and look into the skin to look for the shape of the pedicel area. A sand dollar is exactly the same. You will see the general shape of the body, which in this case is thin and flat. You will see if they have holes on it or doesn't have any holes, so that's a difference. And then also, again, you go inside the skin and look for pedicel area, and in this case, they have a very tiny spines all over the body. To identify the brittle stars, you have to take a very close look to the shape of the center of the body and look for all the characteristics, any kind of spines or regular skin or even granules, etc. And then you go to the mouth. This is very important to identify them, or the parts around the mouth that will give you the name of the genus and the species. The sea cucumbers are kind of a different world because you have to use the skin to identify them. So you have to dissolve a tiny little bit of skin on bleach, wait a little bit, and then look in the microscope and try to recognize the species using taxonomic keys or taxonomic references to identify them.